Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix lag or stuttering in Battlefield 6. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Windows search bar, type CMD and select Run as Administrator. Once the window opens, type the command ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter to clear your DNS cache. This helps reduce connection-related lag. If you are still experiencing stuttering, the next step is to update your graphics drivers. If you are using NVIDIA, open GeForce Experience. If you are using AMD, open Adrenalin software. Go to the Drivers or Updates tab and install the latest driver available. Updated drivers improve performance and prevent stuttering during gameplay. If the issue continues, you can adjust the game compatibility settings. Search for Battlefield 6 through your EA app and open the installation folder. Right-click the Battlefield 6 application, select Properties, and go to the Compatibility tab. Enable Compatibility Mode, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and enable Run this program as administrator. Apply the changes. So that's basically how you can fix lag or stuttering in Battlefield 6. That's it for this video. Thanks.